Today we have again with us Wayne Lico, who is the managing partner from Horizant, and he has another opportunity to share with us how he is helping our clients deal with the pandemic using Archibus software. So thank you, Wayne, again for joining us.
Thanks again, Danielle.
So in this particular situation, could you give us a little bit of the background of what kind of challenges your client was trying to solve for?
Sure. In this particular case, it had to do with the concept of essential workers and people who still needed to go into office locations versus the employees that were staying at home. And really what the company wanted to do was ensure that they were following all of the protocols and everything that's been put forth from public health officials to ensure the safety of these essential workers when they were coming into the office. And there was also the added element of wanting to see how much space was actually being used, making sure they were staying, actually in this case, below certain metrics and being able to act on certain cleaning protocols.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are dealing with that right now, so that's great. So for these clients, what applications or processes did you implement to address the challenges?
So again, what we're looking at is this idea of clients being able to leverage a mix of existing and, in some cases, new pieces of technology. In this particular case, we're looking at things like the space inventory and the occupancy information, so knowing where people were traditionally sitting. Tying that, of course, into any of your BIM or AutoCAD drawings. And then the additional layer that we saw here was this concept of hoteling, or perhaps in the cases of unassigned seating, being able to track that, and also using Internet of Things sensors to be able to see the actual usage of the space and pull some metrics around that.
And what type of results or outcomes did the clients see by implementing these processes?
So this is a case where it's fairly multi-layered or multifaceted. There's certainly this idea of how they're using the space, and because you were bringing potentially different people from different groups together, the reallocation of the space into a common area while still maintaining the safe protocols of distance and cleaning. So the cleaning itself tied into things like the preventive maintenance and the ongoing protocols necessary for perhaps extra cleaning. Then you saw the benefit of the sensors that would tell them where the essential workers were actually sitting. And they could do anything from, again, enhanced cleaning, or they could turn that location off for a number of days and have workers go to a different workstation. So it's kind of turning off the availability, creating a more of a safe seat. So it again brought forth a number of benefits that overall really allowed them to better manage the space, the use of the space, and the safe use of the space, and to monitor how the employees were actually interacting in that space. Again, ultimately to drive out the safety of those employees.
Great. Well, I think this is all really useful information, and I just want to thank you again for taking the time to speak with us. Have a great day and stay safe.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Thank you.